So this conference was very important for people from the Kyrgyz Republic to hear about experiences from other countries in the region or even a bit further. We had people from Uzbekistan, from Kazakhstan, from Tajikistan coming to share their experiences about court bailiffs, but also from Russia, from Estonia, and also to hear from international organizations who deal with court bailiffs. So I would say we worked a lot during these 2 days, and there were lots of very interesting presentations about how other countries have organized their court bailiff system. And you know, the issues that come back always are how to structure the enforcement of this service. For example, you know, do you want to have private bailiffs or public bailiffs? It's about budget for this service, how you fund it, about the reporting lines of this service, about difficulty for bailiffs to access information, to find assets of debtors that they need to enforce the judgment. These are issues that, you know, are permanent for this sector. But what came very strongly for me, something that is new now, is the automation and digitalization of this type of work, of enforcement work. We are talking about e-justice or e-enforcement, electronic, and this is something new that is going to change the way bailiffs work. And we heard some very interesting experiences, for example, from Estonia, which is very advanced in this sector. So I think this is an area that developed countries need to focus on in the future, and that's an area where they can advance very quickly and you know, even sometimes faster than developed countries. So this is for me a very important takeaway from the conference, the importance of electronic processes that is everywhere in our lives today, but also in the context of court enforcement.